Alright, so this is it before we stretch the frame, and then after. Alright, so that's it right there. Yeah, it just looks like the box is a little too small for the bike now. I mean, just have so much room. Alright, so we're making the kit for the tricycle to make it longer. So we got these 4 pieces all cut up, and that's not the side. Yeah, it looks like a mirror. Sweet. Okay, now we got the markings on it. 1 piece. I'm gonna make it. Hopefully it's gonna be good, and then we're gonna copy it 3 times, and it's gonna be set. All right, so now we got 4 holes made for the back end of the frame, and now we got to transfer that, and basically gotta go like so. Yeah, it's gonna get done on the opposite side to match. Okay, at this point, yeah, things are not going back, hopefully, and we're gonna get this done. Okay, so we got this longer, and hook it up to that. All right, so that's it right there. The bolts are just sitting in it to hold it together. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Looks good, eh? All right, frame is all done up. Got the top welded on both sides most of the way. Stand on it. It's very, very solid. And I mean, I'm gonna put my weight on the middle here. Look at the flex. There is a little, you know, a little bit of flex, but it picks it right up, so it looks good. All right, so I got that. The batteries are now on the inside of the bin, and the light switch 2 is inside of the bin. And we got the front and the rear lights, and they're pretty bright, I think. I think it's pretty bright. I like it. I like it a lot. And both is on the same switch, and it doesn't need to be on while the bike is on. Bike can be on, or headlights can be on. That's nice. All right, so this didn't last very long because, yeah, this is a thing we're starting to get to see daylight through the bottom. So yeah, that's not good. We got to make something better.